wondering, why should I still make YouTube videos when my views never change or my subscribers? Well, there's no point because there are millions of people already doing the same content, or because your hard work never get recognized by anyone. The truth is, starting out as a new, small YouTuber, making videos is hard, starting a YouTube channel is hard, and the worst of all that all YouTubers can relate to is getting the views and getting noticed by people on YouTube. Through watching tons of YouTube videos and my personal experience, I'm going to be giving you my secrets, my tips, my tricks, and all my strategies on how to gain more views during quarantine, because now is a perfect time to blow up your YouTube channel and create some content for people. I can guarantee you that with these tips, your channel will boost more views. So keep on. And that is finding your competitors. So what I mean by this is find another subscriber with the same amount of subscribers as you and shares the same content. And all you have to do is recreate their most successful video. I've seen tons of people do it. Like they just blow up through finding recent popular videos of their favourite YouTuber and doing their own. And this is actually worked on me. So one of my YouTuber supporters, Cute Video, made a video about a tutorial on how to make your iPhone transparent. If you want to watch that video, click up it. And basically what happened was her view got like tons of views, like around 30,000, and then I saw that the competition wasn't that high and she only posted it like around 5 days before, and then I just wanted to make my own version. And then I made it, and that is now my most popular video. And I'm pretty sure that's how like loads of subscribers had blown up. Like Annie Long, she made like a video that gained her 50,000 YouTube subscribers in just a month. So that's a strategy, guys. That is to be original. There's no point in talking about stupid tea about other people when why don't you talk about your tea about yourself? I mean, you only have one chance in the world, and it's better to be you than try and pretend to be someone that you won't be. And being yourself will actually engage the audience more because people will be interested in you rather than other things. Yes, sister spills are kind of good to watch, but do you want to be recognized as a sister spill person that just share really horrible toxic gossip, or someone that's a YouTuber that makes fun videos that people recognize because they are funny, because they make really awesome TikToks? And yeah, be you. Something similar to that is finding your style, or the fancy word niche. And what I mean by this is categorizing your YouTuber and what you share within your channel. So if you want to receive a free YouTube channel art, check out the recent video that I did up below. The content that you provide and how is it valuable to your audience. So my video is kind of all over the place, but I'm going to be narrowing down to 3 categories, which is challenges, dance challenges mainly because I am quite a dancer, not really, and number 2 I'm going to do YouTube strategies, and number 3 like teen vlog and stuff like that. And you can create content about literally anything, like Fortnite videos, dance videos, challenges, pranks, anything literally, but you have to focus on that category. It's just that you need to stay consistent, like Instagram. If the Instagram always change filters, would that be professional? Would people want to go on your Instagram and follow you? Not really. So you have to create like a specific content feed. Number 4, I kind of stress the importance of thumbnail, making eye-catching thumbnails. Because thumbnails is kind of like a trailer of a movie. If a trailer wasn't good, would you click on it? Would you watch the movie? No, you wouldn't. So the thumbnail, I probably think, is more important than the actual video, because if people don't click on your video, who will view your video? So you need people to click on your video. If you want to find out how to make effective eye-catching thumbnails, comment down below. I have made one before, but that was last year's type of thumbnail. Now I have completely changed my thumbnails to make it more pleasing to the eye. Bonus tip that I would like to give to you guys is downloading the vidIQ Chrome extension. That has really helped me because it showed me my competitors, showed me my view growth, and showed me how my video performance is doing. So if you want to download vidIQ, I'll put the link down below. Leading on to my final tip, and that is to comment on your favorite YouTubers or like YouTubers with large followings. So when subscribing to one of your favorite YouTubers or your YouTubers with similar content, make sure you turn on the notification, because when you turn on the notification, you'll be the first person to get notified, and that will give you the best chance of being the first person to write a comment. A common mistake that I see a lot of people do is write sub for sub, first person to comment. Those aren't really going to get you noticed. What you need to do is make a really nice comment about that YouTuber, like something like, your editing is a bomb, or like something like, oh, you've helped me so much in my YouTube growth, and stuff like that. I'll tell you a bit of my story of how I used that. So because you want to get noticed, you need that YouTuber to heart your comment, pin it or highlight it, because therefore when people go to the comments, they'll see your comment first. For example, last year I commented on one of my favourite YouTubers, Vanessa Lau, I think, and my comment got 97 likes, and it was the highlight comment, and it's still getting a lot of hearts till this day. So here's that comment, and then loads of people have been checking out my channel, and I think I gained around like 20 subscribers from that comment, and that is an example of what's something you can do to gain more views onto your channel. Thank you guys so much for sticking till the end, and I hope my tips are valuable to you. And if you want more content like this, I'd appreciate so much if you could subscribe down below, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next week. Toodaloo!